Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Solution. Today let us have a look on how to fix the acrylic letters on a background. As you see in the video, after fixing the complete drawing in actual position, we will mark the edges of each individual letter so that we can fix all individual letters with the reference of that mark. After marking, the drawing will be removed from the background and all individual letter will be fixed on the background with the reference of that mark. All individual letters are fixed on the background with a double-sided tape or a glue. As you see in the video, this is a 6 mm thick acrylic cut letters which is pasted on a background.